we have Arnav with us today. And how are you doing today, Arnav?
Good.
You're doing good?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're looking forward to an exciting chapter,
Yeah,
right?
very exciting.
So we're going to be studying gravitation right after this. So tell us, what are we going to be studying in this chapter, Arnav?
In gravitational, first of all, we learn about Newton's law of gravitation.
Okay,
Then
obviously.
Obviously, that is
Yeah.
the first part. Then we learn about gravitational fields, gravitational potentials, escape velocity, and we'll also learn a little bit about satellites.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from the perspective of JEE as such, where is gravitation more prominent or where is it important?
It is important in a lot of concepts actually. They can ask a question of gravitation coupled with SHM, forces, circular motion and all.
It can be involved with a lot of other
Yeah, it can be involved with
questions.
others also.
Okay.
But purely gravitation wise, they ask mainly questions about satellites and all, to find the time period of satellites and if the distance doubles and what happens to the time period and all those stuff. So
Okay,
satellites is the
we need to
important
know all
part.
of that.
Yeah.
Alright. Now, tell me this about gravity as such. I've always sort of wondered, why does our atmosphere have so much of oxygen and nitrogen and very little hydrogen or helium or the lighter compounds as such? While if you look at the gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, they have a large concentration of hydrogen, and if we had that, we could just sort of use it as renewable energy, right? Like burn the hydrogen and
Get a lot
गाड़ी
of
चलाई चलो?
light. No, that is not possible actually,
Oh.
because the lighter gases have got a higher VRMS.
Okay.
That is the root mean speed.
Okay.
So, and this VRMS is greater than the escape velocity of Earth. So on the Earth, these gases are able to escape the gravitational field, whereas
So they won't be in our atmosphere.
they
itself.
won't be in our atmosphere in that higher concentration.
So, which is why larger planets which have a
Yeah.
larger mass associated will be able to keep hydrogen within them, and yeah, maybe if one day we make it to Titan, we can potentially use the hydrogen that's available on Saturn as such. But okay, so this is interesting. So we can't really use that. Now, tell me this: we used to see this in cartoons. Okay, there used to be this mouse who would bury itself in the ground from say New York and would land up in Beijing, and then you'd have some Chinese music.
Yeah.
But what was the deal with that? Like, is that theoretically possible, or if it is, like, how much of time do you think will take for us to go from one end to the other end?
It will take, the time period is 83 minutes, so a round trip will take 83 minutes and
So are
one
you
way
telling me
42
we can
minutes.
go from New York to China in 42
43
minutes?
Yeah.
If we bury through the earth?
Theoretically, but there are lots of problems in it.
Like, we can't bury through
Your
the
maximum
earth.
velocity will be around 8,000 meters per second.
Oh,
so
we'll
you will
burn
die.
up. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So, and shocks and
Yeah,
okay.
and there is basically a lot of molten gases, molten lava and all.
Yeah, so
on
we
the
can't
ground.
dig through
You
the
can't
earth
dig through.
anyways, right?
It's just
Yeah,
a
that-
hypothetical question.
Yeah, but wouldn't that be like incredibly awesome? You
Awesome,
could go
yeah.
from one place to the other place in 43 minutes. I don't think you can make it from like Chandni Chowk to Chawri Bazaar in 43 minutes in this country. But anyhow, so gravity, as you can see, is a fairly interesting topic. More than interesting, it's an important topic for JEE and for our lives because we're still able to stand here. So let's move on to the question and let's solve some
Definitely,
interesting ones.
definitely. Yeah.
Okay.